everyone, and welcome back to our part 3 of this beautiful nocturne by Chopin, opus 9, number 2. So if you didn't watch part 1 and part 2, I would strongly recommend you to go and do that. You will find links below into the description. As well, you will find a link with me performing this beautiful nocturne a couple of months ago. Okay, but so let's get started. If you're new to the channel, again, welcome, and I'm happy you are here and you discover me. Go to the playlist, and there are over 160 videos on this channel with beautiful tips, important tips into the technique, into a lot of interpretation, and many tutorials, other tutorials on Chopin and Mozart. Okay, so we are here again to the part A, right? So we did figure it out that this nocturne, it's AA, and then it's part B, and then it's A again, and then it's part B again. Right? So I'm gonna start here with again part B, in which you don't have practically anything different than the first part B, only you have 4 notes over 3. So let's go and work here. Part B. This one. Where it's again poco ritardando, as you can see, it's right, left, right, together, right, left, right. So again. Divide 4 notes over 3 that you have on the left hand. Again, I'm gonna go slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. So you're gonna do a poco ritardando, and you're just gonna milk this. Make sure they are even. Like in the other section. Okay, and here. Right. Another thing that I did not told you in part 1 or something, like when you have 2 notes. Right? So I would like you to practice this and try to play the top note louder than the lower note. With whatever fingers it suits you, doesn't matter. The point is, it's again, you could practice more on it, you should. And start again. replay a couple of times if you don't know how to do it. Yes, so this is the way how to do it. And now we're getting into Coda. Alright, so Coda is starting in A flat minor, alright? That is the chord in piano, and then immediately after it's a pianissimo, in where if you want you can add the soft pedal, meaning the left pedal. I will not do it, but listen how the melodicity of it is. You see how I'm doing a little bit crescendo and then pulling back. And even softer. Here, pay attention on this beautiful gruppetto. And very legato. I'm gonna go slow with the right hand to see how are the intonation, I could say it, you know. So you really prepare. Make it smooth and milk it. So beautiful touch on this one. Let the left hand sound on that A. You see? Sound the left hand. And then come nicely on the arpeggio. It's again, this one, it's not, it's kind of in between, so pay attention how I am stretching it. Did you got it? I'm gonna go again. And then we're gonna have it con forza. Well, meaning with more strong. It's forza means force, but definitely it's Chopin, so it's not that on forza. It would be a Beethoven con forza, right? So here it's kind of you gotta practice this again. Word means straight go, 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 go. Don't do any ritardando, just go for it all the way down. So we have in ta 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 ta. would suggest you, a lot of people will have problem with this one. I am gonna go on this octave. I'm not sure if my top camera is catching this. Alright, so to see so my tip on this one would be you to start a little slower, so don't start, because you might get, from the technicality point of view, you might get tired if you're not that advanced. So I will start slow, 2, 3. So you go a little bit of crescendo and then you're pulling back into the crescendo. Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then on the 13th one you are out. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On this one, you can hear the top note is more accentuated than the lower one. So just don't do that like that. Alright, so it's more. And the top, again, this note more than all the rest. From all these 4 notes, this is important and this one. So, conclusion for this beautiful nocturne, what is more important, after you learn the notes and the technicality, after you practice a lot on the left hand, as I told you on the first part, that literally each of these 3 counts, groups of 3, needs to be practiced. It takes a while, it takes as long as it takes. You cannot say, because I cannot say, because you're not, I don't know you, I don't know what level you are, but it takes a little bit of work and practice on the left hand to know the left hand. I would absolutely recommend you, if you can memorize this, it's even better, because when it is memorized, then you can listen more how you produce the sound. But even if you don't memorize and you're just reading, it's a slow piece, so as a technicality, it doesn't have that much there. You just need to listen and listen what kind of sound you produce. Right now, we do have different kinds of pianos, right? So some that are much brighter than others, you might like that kind, or brighter or mellow. Personally, I like a little bit more mellowish piano, not as bright, but again, it's me. Right, if I would play on a brighter piano, then I'm adjusting my touch accordingly to that piano, still to create a beautiful line, beautiful legato on the right hand, soft left hand, and to create the nocturne that is a beautiful love nocturne. This one I'm just calling the love story on this nocturne. Alright, so do comment. Let me know if you enjoyed. I hope you do. You did. And like, share, and subscribe. As I always said, help me, grow this channel. comments, like it's important as well. Comments are important. If you're new and you're not subscribed, please do so, if you like it, obviously. And stay tuned because I'm gonna come with much more. I'm planning to do this nocturne. You know which one is it, right? The posthumous one in C sharp minor, one of the, again, most requested nocturnes. So stay tuned and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.